Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove all Gmail account from the Gmail app on Android. I had to clean up my Gmail app the other day because I had way too many accounts logged in and it was getting confusing switching between them. So here's how I removed one. I opened the Gmail app, tapped my profile icon in the top right corner, and saw the list of all accounts currently signed in. From there, I selected Manage Accounts on this device, which takes you to a screen showing every connected Google account. Then I picked the account I wanted to remove and tap Remove from this device. Gmail gives you a quick confirmation warning, basically saying that the accounts will be removed from Gmail and other Google apps on that device. So I confirm it. After that, the account disappeared from the app immediately. It's a quick way to declutter your inbox view, especially if you're juggling multiple emails. And don't worry, it doesn't delete the account itself, just removes it from your phone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.